So we started back in 2017 with a vision to make our city smarter and better. We have saved more than 100 gigawatts of energy in last 5 years. We essentially, save energy by reducing wastage of electricity. So that is how we are adding value to our entire ecosystem. So at Utopia Tech, we are working in two verticals. The vertical number one is outdoor lighting automation. In outdoor lighting automation, the entire outdoor lights of any city or large campus can be managed remotely. The second vertical that we operate in is for banks and ATM. Now in bank and ATM segment, we provide solutions that can take care of security, e-surveillance and energy management. In the initial phase, the problem was that you wear multiple hats and there are times when you have a feeling of self-doubt.
Starting a startup is like jumping into the water without a float. And we did that in 2017.
It was a small, humble beginning, just three of us, me, Shashank and Mitesh, and later joined by our fourth co-founder Vijay.
See, when you start the startup, you will have a mixed feeling. One day you will feel like a king, wow, what I have done it. And another day you will feel like, why am I started this? So that feeling only help us get us going.
Generally it is said that in startups there are two value of death. Like the first value of death is when you overcome your fear and you find a product market fit. And the second value of death is scaling up. So we have covered our first valley and now overcome the second valley where we can scale up our solutions in India and to the global markets.
We found out that the problem of outdoor lighting automation, what we are solving through IoT, it's also for the private infrastructure and the plants and the airports. But when we went there, we found out that same solution cannot be fit in there. So then thought about the changing our product according to the private infrastructure players where it can be easily retrofittable. And that's we do from the start. And so we make a product which is very unique and we got patent for it. With help of that product, we were able to get our first project.
And it was a hard journey of 3 months to convince the clients. For us, we were lucky to get Palava Smart City as our first customer. Now that was around managing and automating 10,000 streetlights through our EasyLit platform. The pilot was successful.
They liked our solution very well and the convincing point for them was it is a retrofittable solution and the very basic electrician or a technician person can also operate it.
It was like getting feather on our cap and getting credibility, and that really helped us to convince the second client, the third client, and there was no looking back since then. So we were part of AIMS Smart City Accelerator that is run by Ashoka University, Microsoft and Indian School of Business. We were also part of Palava Smart City run by Zone Startups and Lodha Group, and through those programs we got access to AWS credits for our cloud technology software platform. We were part of Startup Leadership Program from where we got access to Zoho Startup Program and got access to entire suite of applications that Zoho is providing.
Zoho Mail is the first application what we started using. It is a very simple to use. Zoho Mail has I will say very best UI UX. One of the feature is a streams. So in internal communication, many times we forward the emails to the colleagues, which comes from the client, and it increases the memory usage unnecessarily. So the streams is a very good thing where we can just tag the colleagues so that they can show the same email.
We got to explore all the different applications, so that helped us plan how to take our company forward by using business automation tools. So it gave us good insight about how large companies are managed and how can we run our company efficiently.
We were using Dropbox for file sharing. We explored Zoho WorkDrive and we found out it's more user friendly. The syncing problem there were there in Dropbox, and that conflict in copy was creating a lot of issues. But Zoho WorkDrive has a very good engine in backend and we are seamlessly using it.
Initially we were very few in numbers, but now we have crossed 16 and it is growing daily. and now we have connected the Zoho people to our attendance system. So the attendance is completely automated and everything is integrated with the payroll. So the salary structure is being defined. We have a prescribed working hours which the employee needs to complete. So through this they can actually see कि how much of working hours they have completed and what is pending. Everything is automated process.
Very tremendous task for us was the voucher reimbursement for the field technicians and other employees. We used to write in the form and they have to do the data entry in the system. Now we are using expense vouchers in the Zoho people. So that has reduced our time and energy very well. After that, when we started the compliance of ESIC, PF, and so that we also introduced Zoho Payroll. So with help of Zoho Payroll, now in a single shot we are doing the salary of more than 50 employees. Earlier we used to do it with the bank portal, which were taking lot of time and lot of issues were arising. Now it becomes seamless. Again, in Zoho Payroll, our bank account is directly integrated. So these integrations also really helps to easier the processes.
In today's world, getting software solution is a lot of your mental bandwidth. I think 1 year Zoho One startup program was really useful. That helped us, explore different solutions and which can be applicable to our company. There are companies building softwares in India as a service, but Zoho is making products. And we are very sure that Zoho will play a pivotal role in our journey as a startup and will be an important part in our success.